Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also don't like the video. So listen, you guys, The Polygamist is out. I watched it, I think the whole day, like when I watched it, because I just could not stop. And the actors and actresses are so good, you guys. And so many people have been saying that they can relate to the story Siga Jonas, whether their father behaved the same way or their spouse. And some people have identified certain celebrities to say this is the same story that is taking place with this couple and that couple and all of that, you guys. So it is nice to actually participate in this conversation, and I think the show is really good. So one of the things that has happened is that people have been telling their stories, their Jonas story. And this lady right here says, listen, you guys, if you thought Jonas was bad, my father is worse. Okay, so she is telling a story of how her father is her Jonas. So here is a story right here, you guys. As izinto that happened on the show, we are going to talk about them in other videos, and maybe possibly we'll do a live, depending on whether you tell me in this comment section if you want us to do a live about the polygamies. But yo, I enjoyed that show. Thank you so much. Ngimthanda kakhulu.
My journey story, and I didn't understand why I was so triggered up until I realized Guti, we all have a Jonas in our lives, and my Jonas in Tatam. Bear with me. So I grew up knowing that my mom was in high school when she met my dad, and they were in a relationship. She was 18 when she fell pregnant, and she had me when she was 19. And then after she fell pregnant, my father left her and got married to a teacher. So ndikhule my mom saying she got into a relationship with this guy, her first boyfriend, and wamshiya wayochata umntu ofundileyo because yena ebeliqaba. And in the olden days, it was a huge thing into yobani qaba ungabela qaba. Guys, never mind my nails. And then fast forward 36 years later, my father and my mother reconnect. Asizoyazi ke, my stepfather passed away, my mother was single, wabuya ke umen, and then isidala ke siyaporishwa kwacaba ke ngoku bayabuyelana. And I guess umen knew that if ufuna ubelana nomuntu wakhe, I'm the package deal. Otherwise, we all know about. Anyway, so bear with me, because when we reconnected no tata, wathi ufuna ukundi-introduce kwi-siblings zam, and there are 8 of us, right? So he called a meeting and we all met, 8 kids was introduced like. And then ndadiscoverisha indoba ndingum number 2, so I'm the second born, right? I have a brother who's a firstborn. Mamela ke ngoku. I-firstborn ngeyomtshato. Meaning ukuthi mna I am a child born out of wedlock. Umamam was umatipa kule Jonas situation, unbeknownst to her, because yena wayecimba udibene nomfana abajola and then umfana wayochata. Unbeknownst to no, man was married, and then there was me. And then from that marriage, there was my other brother, number 3. And then there was another brother, number 4. So meaning therefore, men had 3 boys from the marriage, and then had me as number 2. So here's a boy, here's me, and then here's 2 boys. Right? Okay, bear with me. Now, men wabane activity. Let's say 3 or 4 streets down the road from where they stayed. From that activity, kwaphuma usister wam. number 5. And then my father got divorced from the first wife. Wahamba wayochata ne wayochata kwaphuma number 6, my other sister from the second marriage. I'm still right. Yes, I'm still right. From the second marriage. Then wabuyela back to a few streets down the line. Wenza number 7. Wenza number 7. So now another girl. Okay, let's recap. From first marriage, there's a boy. And then this one. There's a girl. And then there's 2 other boys, right? And then from down the street, there's a girl. That's number 5. And then from a second marriage, there's another girl. That's number 6. And then he went back to down the street, went to number 7, right? Okay, so that's 7 kids. And then wapinda wano lindani went to number 8. That's a boy. Last born yakutatam. That's 8 kids, right? So we were all introduced. We all got to know each other. Abanye ke ndandi bava, like ndive rumors. Yes, you have a brother here, you have a brother there. I met number 1 when I was 19. Ndandi jola with umfana. And then, when you're having pillow talk, so I'm telling him, Ukuti, actually, I'm staying with my stepfather. This is my real father, blah, blah, blah. And then he was like, no, man, I know these people. I'm actually friends with this guy. So he goes and he tells the guy, Uba, guy, I think the Jorano's sister work. And then he introduces us. And then we meet each other. And I'm like, no, dude, I'm your sister. And he was like, oh, my God. So he goes to his father. And he says to his father, I met this girl, and this girl is my sister. And then the man was like, no, don't worry about that girl. That girl has moved to Cape Town. I don't even think she's my daughter. Don't follow it up. She's a nobody. So he never followed it up, and then that was it. I only met Uprada Wam, number 1, once when I was 18. Fast forward, I'm now in my 20s. And I'm working at this company. I don't want to mention names. In that company, obviously, most age groups as fun, M17. I meet this older guy and we start chatting. And I'm like, no, my real father is who and who. And then this guy is like, hi, Bo, I know this guy. He's a friend of mine. I'm going to ask him about you. He goes and he asks my father, but man, I'm working with your daughter. And then the father is like, that's not my daughter. Mama must go find umdana. So my colleague comes back and goes, yo, I spoke to this guy, and this guy so then my colleague starts playing a father figure in my life. Dikumbula, the first time I went to St. Francis Bay at a restaurant, ndakhutshwa colleague yam. He took me, we drove from Gqeberha to St. Francis Bay to have lunch. And my colleague said, I met your father, we spoke, and this is what he says. I'm so sorry, but now you'll always have me in your life, blah, blah, blah. As such, he was in my life until he died. He played a father role, my colleague. Hey, dinga run out of time. Fast forward. My father's mother passes away. I guess my grandmother passes away. So we all go to the funeral. To be honest, I went to the funeral not to support my father, but to support my siblings, which he raised. So nandi supporta bona makhulu wabo. Yeah. We get there, funeral vibes, blah, blah, blah. After the funeral, we're all chilling, don. Kufike these people. And they're like, yo. And then my brothers from the first marriage, they introduce us. But, oh, what about aba? This is my aunt. This is my father's cousin. This is my father's sister, or whatever the case may be. And then they were like, these are our sisters. These women looked at us and they asked, Kubanu Kakamba apakuni? Sapeka, because we didn't know any Kakamba. Kubani blah 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 apakuni? Sapeka. That was the day we found out Ukuti. My father has other kids. In fact, by 15, asko by 8. Guys, xa ndisithi kuni baninzi oJonas, siphila isiJonas kulo life. Hey guys, ndambukela uPolygamy ndazibona uba ndingusera. Trick after trick. I'm running out of time. But ke ayisayihleka noba kubi because ke sothini.